Children, today I will discuss about the second test of the chapter Taste and Measurement. Today test is Rockport walking test, prepared to measure cardiovascular fitness. Rockport walking test developed for measure cardiovascular fitness. In the last video, I have discussed about the first test to measure the cardiovascular fitness test was Harvard step test. Second test is Rockport walking test. The test is Rockport walking test. Children, what is the Rockport walking test? Children, Rockport walking test is also known as Rockport 1 mile test. Rockport walking test is also known as the Rockport 1 mile test. This test was developed by physiologist and cardiologist at the Department of Exercise Science at the University of Massachusetts. University of Massachusetts at Amherst in 1986 to measure cardiovascular fitness for sedentary individual. This test was developed by physiologist and the cardiologist of the University of Massachusetts at the Department of Exercise Science. In 1986, to measure the cardiovascular fitness. Last test was also related to measure the cardiovascular fitness. But what is the differences? The main difference in this test is individually prepared to sedentary individual. Sedentary means those people do not perform any type of the physical activity and they pass maximum time in our luxurious life. So the University of the Massachusetts prepared a test to measure the cardiovascular fitness. The purpose is the same purpose of the test to measure cardiovascular fitness. The purpose of this test is to measure cardiovascular fitness during exercise. Okay. The requirements of the test when we organize any test needs of the some equipments. So requirement of the test. To organize this test, the first requirement is to organize this test. First requirement is 200 meters or 400 meters running track. It is must because this test is prepared to check the cardiovascular fitness covered a distance 1 mile. Stopwatch. What is the importance of the stopwatch? To check the timing. Measuring tape. To measure the distance at the track. And assistant is very important to perform this test. The equipments required 200 meter or the 400 meter running track and it should be well labeled. A stopwatch, a measuring tape and an assistant. Children, what is the procedure? The procedure of this test is select or choose a windless day. That day you will organize this test. The day should be windless to conduct the test. choose a windless day. Record the weight. Record the weight. Record the weight of individual. Means that person will participate, you will check the weight, and on a perfect weighing machine. The machine should be in good condition to check the perfect weight, and you will record the weight at the time of weight should be taken or wear in minimum cloth, and it should be in pounds. You will measure the weight in pounds, not in the kilogram, and we write the pounds in lbs. Okay, so you will take record of the weight in pounds, then mark the starting and finishing point on track for run or walk. In this test, run and walk both are allowed. So you will measure and give the marking of the 1 mile. One mile is equal to 1609 meters. Okay, then you will be record the time. Record the timing. Record the time after complete 1 mile run or walk, and time should be in minute and second. Minute and second. You will be alert at the time of record the time, and it should be in minute and second. Then just finishing the 1 mile walk or run immediately, without getting any late. Immediately on finishing of walk or run measure the heart rate beats per minute. You can check it, means you can check the heartbeat or the heart rates manually or through the monitor method. What is the monitor method? Means through the machine like ECG or EEG. At the timing of measuring the heartbeat, it should be per minutes. Beats should be per minutes. You can check manually after finishing the 1 mile walk or run, or you can check it through the help of ECG or EEG machines to get the accurate heartbeat. And when you will collect the accurate heartbeat, you will get the exact or the correct data, and it is more beneficial or the useful to measure the cardiovascular fitness. Then we will calculate. What is the calculation procedure? Calculation procedure: analysis of the result is done by comparing it with the result of previous test. Analysis of the result is done by the comparing with the result of previous test. It is expected that appropriate training between each test should be done to show improvement. Analysis of the result is done by the comparing your data to the previous test, and it is expected that appropriate training, you can give the appropriate training of the walking, checking the pulse, record the timing between each test to get the improvement. Okay, the calculation of VO2 maximum VO2 can be determined maximum cardiovascular can be determined with the help of following formula. Children, it is expected that the appropriate training between each test should be done to show the improvement, and the calculation of the maximum VO2, maximum cardiovascular fitness can be determined with the help of a formula. What is the formula? Cardiovascular, maximum cardiovascular is equal to, please see and write it carefully in your copy. Maximum VO2 132, this is the formula, 0.853 minus in bracket 0.0769 multiply weight, and weight should be in pound. Bracket close. Again minus, again bracket 0.3877 multiply age, bracket close, plus again in bracket 6.315 multiply gender, bracket close. You can laugh. How you will multiply gender? Children, gender you will be multiply gender with 6.315, again minus in bracket 3.2649 multiply time, time should be in minute and second, again minus in bracket 0.1565 multiply heart rate, it should be in per minute. Again see the formula, formula for the Rockport test. Maximum cardiovascular fitness is equal to 132.853 minus 0.0769 multiply weight should be in the pound bracket close, again minus 0.3877 multiply age. How will we multiply age? Will be check the age also, plus 6.315 multiply gender, then minus 3.2649 multiply time, it should be in the minute and second, then minus 0.1565 multiply heart rate. Where? Please note it in your copy, it should be in your copy. Where weight, you know, weight should be in pound. We write pounds in the LBS. Okay. Gender, it is very important. I was telling, please laugh. Means for male gender, one. Male means one. In formula, at the place of the, you will be take the test of the male gender, you will write here 1, and for the female, zero. Okay, for the male 1, female 0. Time, you know, time should be in minute and seconds. Heart rate, beats per minute. Okay, and age should be only in the year. Okay, this is the formula to check the cardiovascular fitness of the sedentary people. Children, there are some advantages of the test. Some advantages of this test also. What are the advantages? The first advantage is minimum equipments are required to conduct this test. To conduct this test. Okay, it is simple. The second advantage of this test is it is very simple to set up and conduct. Only you will be check the windless day. The third advantage of this test is this test can be conducted on more than one individual at a time. Means you can take the test of the more number of the individual in the same timing. Okay, so the some advantage of this test is the minimum equipments are required to conduct this test. It is simple to set up, only ground, and it should be well labeled and marking to conduct this test. This test can be conducted on more than one individual, means one time you can take the more number of the persons test in the same time. Okay, what are the evaluation process? Evaluation of the test. Children, students with higher scoring are considered as more fit as compared to less score considered as unfit. Okay, those people are those students have higher scoring of the calculation are considered as more fit as compared to the less score considered as the unfit person. The University of Massachusetts have given a score sheet, a chart. This chart are more useful. This chart is more useful to evaluate. This chart is the female. Here I will discuss about the last and the first score. In the last point I have discussed in the evaluation. Here students with higher scoring, those people are those person have got the higher scoring. Here this is the chart for the female, 41.9, 13 to 90 years this superior, and 25 is the very poor, means those person have scored high, have the better fitness. In the 20 to 29 years age, 49 and 26.3, 41 indicating the super are the excellent category, 37 to 41, but 23.6 have the poor cardiovascular fitness. I am coming on the age category above 60 years, 31.4, 30.3 to 31.4. It shows the excellent cardiovascular fitness of the female above 60 years, and those female have less than 17.5 indicating the poor fitness, poor cardiovascular fitness. The same like the chart for the males also. Okay, for the males the age category 13 to 19, 51 to 55.9 means 51 to 56, indicating the excellent cardiovascular fitness of the 13 to 19 years, like your age group. Those children are studying in the class 12 have not crossed the 19, means for your, means after this test when you will score 51 to 56 indicates have the better fitness. Just below 35 indicating the very poor fitness. Just after the class 12th when will be reach in the higher education, 20 to 29 years, this age is very important for you. Please maintain your fitness, because when you will achieve 46.5 to 52.4 score, indicating the better fitness when we compare to 33, indicating the very poor. For the senior citizen above 60 years old, those people have 36.5 to 44.2, indicating the excellent, and above 44 superior fitness as compared to 20.5 or below 25. So you can maintain it. This category is good. So we can expect to the good category, and when that they will be achieve it, you will automatically reach in the excellent. So my little suggestion, children, the both tests are very important, and the last test is some numerical. So such type of the question, do practice. It is very important for you. Okay, that's all. Thank you.